Here, you'll see a brand new option called Hide Distracting Items. Now in iOS 26, you can go back from almost anywhere on the screen. Tap on that icon and you can remind yourself to call that person back in 1 hour and enable Reduce Transparency. Now the glass effect is almost completely gone. Here I only want to copy the tracking ID, not the whole message. So just
Hi friends, welcome to Pre-Tip Tech. Today I will show you most of the useful iOS 26 hidden feature which you should definitely try. So let's start it.
Finally, Apple has somehow created a universal back gesture. It's not as perfect as Android yet, but honestly, it's pretty good. Now in iOS 26, you can go back from almost anywhere on the screen. Earlier, you could only go back by swiping from the very edge of the screen. But now, you can simply swipe from the middle or anywhere on the screen to go back. For example, here inside the settings menu, you can see I'm swiping from the middle of the screen, and it instantly goes back to the previous page. Let me know in the comments if you noticed this feature before, or if this is the first time you're seeing it. Now compare this with iOS 18 on my iPhone XS Max. Back then, inside the settings menu, you had to swipe precisely from the edge of the screen to go back, which was actually quite difficult for one-handed use. So this small change in iOS 26 makes navigation much easier and more comfortable. What do you think about this feature? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now here is another really useful hidden feature in iOS 26. You can now set a reminder for missed calls directly from the phone app. Just swipe left on a missed call and you will see a small clock icon. Tap on that icon and you can remind yourself to call that person back in 1 hour, tonight, tomorrow, or later. You can even choose a custom date and time for the call reminder. And the best part is, this feature doesn't work only for missed calls. You can also set reminders for any call in your call history, even if it was a dialed call. Honestly, this is a really useful feature that many people completely miss. Now let's move to another hidden iOS 26 feature that most people have probably never noticed. You can now get information directly from an image you capture. For example, here I'm capturing a photo of a plant, and you can see this small leaf icon appearing on the image. When you tap on that icon, your iPhone will actually identify the plant and show its name and details. And this works not only for plants, but also for animals, landmarks, and many other objects. But that's not all. You can also copy text directly from an image. Just tap on the scan icon and iOS will detect the text inside the image. Then you can select the text and copy it instantly. Now here is another really cool customization feature in iOS 26. You can now match the color of your app icons with your wallpaper automatically. Just long press on the home screen, tap Customize, then choose Tinted. Now tap on the flower icon and iOS will automatically match the icon color with your wallpaper. You can even pick a specific color directly from your wallpaper if you want a custom look. This makes your home screen look much cleaner and more personalized. How cool is that? Now here is another really useful hidden feature in iOS 26. You can now copy specific text from a message instead of copying the entire message. For example, here I only want to copy the tracking ID, not the whole message. So just long press on the message and you'll see a brand new option called Select. Tap on Select and now you can highlight only the text you need, like this tracking ID. Now I can simply copy it and here you can see I've pasted it right here. This is actually very useful when messages contain things like tracking numbers, OTP codes, or addresses. Pretty handy feature, right? Now moving to one of the most interesting hidden features in iOS 26. You can finally set your own ringtone without using any third-party tools like GarageBand. Just open the Files app and choose any song or audio file you want to use as your ringtone. Now tap on the share icon scroll down and click More. Here you'll see a new option called Use as Ringtone. Just tap on it and instantly the audio will be set as your iPhone ringtone. So now you can easily use any sound or music clip as your ringtone without installing any extra apps. How cool is this feature? Now here is another very useful hidden feature in iOS 26. You can now hide distracting ads on web pages directly in Safari without installing any third-party ad blocker. Just open Safari, then tap the web page settings icon at the bottom left corner. Here, you'll see a brand new option called Hide Distracting Items. Tap on it, and now you can remove anything from the web page, like ads or pop-ups. For example, here I'm simply hiding this advertisement, and you can see it disappears instantly. This makes reading websites much cleaner and less distracting. And if you want to bring them back, just open the same menu again and tap Show Hidden Items. And everything will appear again on the page. Pretty useful feature, right? Now here is another interesting hidden feature in iOS 26. You can now magnify specific parts of a screenshot and highlight important portions easily. Just take a screenshot, tap Edit, then tap the plus icon and choose Add Loop. A magnifying glass will appear and you can move it anywhere on the screenshot to highlight the exact area you want. This is really useful when you want someone to focus on a specific detail in the screenshot. Now here is another very useful feature. You can now filter background noise while recording audio. Just swipe down from the top to open Control Center and you will see two options, Standard and Voice Isolation. If you tap Voice Isolation, your iPhone will automatically reduce background noise while recording. You can even enhance your recording afterwards. Just open your recording, tap the three dots, tap Edit, then tap the settings icon at the bottom right. From there, you can enhance the voice to make it clearer and more professional. Now here is another simple but useful trick. You can now increase or decrease the speed of any podcast. Just tap the 1x speed button, and from there, you can adjust the playback speed. You can even tap the turtle icon to slow it down or increase the speed if you want to listen faster. Now here is another important hidden feature. Sometimes when you are using AirPods or headphones, your iPhone suddenly connects to a car speaker or another Bluetooth speaker, and your music or conversation starts playing through that speaker, which can be awkward. To prevent this, go to Settings, then General, then AirPlay and Continuity. Enable the option called Keep Audio with Headphones. Now, your audio will stay in your headphones even if another Bluetooth speaker connects. And if you enjoy discovering these hidden iPhone tips, make sure to subscribe to Pre-Dev Tech because I regularly share useful Apple tricks like these. Now here is a great new feature in iOS 26. You can now play ambient music directly from your iPhone without subscribing to Apple Music. Open Control Center, long press, tap Add Control and scroll down. You will see a new option called Ambient Music. From there, you can choose music for different moods like sleep, chill, productivity, or well-being. You can even add an ambient music widget to your home screen. Just long press the home screen, tap Edit, tap Add Widget, and select Ambient Music. Here is another very useful hidden trick. Sometimes when selecting files, you don't see a Select All button, but there is a hidden gesture. Just select one file and drag your finger across the screen. It will instantly select multiple files. If you want to deselect them, just drag your finger back in the opposite direction. Now here is a life-saving feature for people who feel motion sickness in cars. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Motion, and enable Vehicle Motion Cues. Once enabled, small dots will appear on the screen and move according to the motion of the vehicle. These moving dots help your brain feel more stable and reduce motion sickness. You can even customize their color and size. Now here is another life-changing accessibility feature. If you hear constant buzzing sounds when you are alone, often called tinnitus, this feature can help. Open Control Center, tap the hearing icon, and enable background sounds. From there, you can play sounds like rain, ocean, fire, or night sounds. You can even adjust the equalizer and set a timer for how long the sound should play. Here is another great customization trick. You can now change the color of folders in the Files app. Open Files, long press any folder, tap Customize Folder and Tags, and choose a color. You can also add icons or emojis to personalize the folder. You can sort files by date, type, or name using the three-dot menu. And you can preview files instantly by long pressing the file and tapping Quick Look Preview. Now here is another hidden but useful feature. You can now see detailed call history for any contact. Just tap on a caller and open call history. You will see how many times they called and how long the calls lasted. You can also filter calls like missed calls or voicemail. Here is another hidden Safari trick. Instead of tapping the Tabs button, you can simply swipe up from the bottom of the page to see all open tabs. You can also long press a tab to duplicate it or organize tabs by website or title. You can even copy all tab URLs at once. And finally, here is a tip for people who don't like Apple's new glass design. Go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, tap Liquid Glass and choose Tinted. This will reduce the glass effect. If you want to remove it even more, go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and enable Reduce Transparency. Now the glass effect is almost completely gone. I made a detailed video about this feature which you can watch from the video in the top right corner. So these were some more hidden iOS 26 features you should definitely try. Let me know in the comments which feature you like the most. And if you want more hidden iPhone tips like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Pre-Dev Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.